In this part, we are going to talk about the advanced strings. So, for example, we set the h stub is equal to hello world, and then we can use the h stub dot title. So it will capitalize the first character of each word, and then we used uppercase to make all the word to become uppercase. And we can also use dot lower to lower all the lowercase to make all the word to lowercase. And then we can use capitalize, and this will this is the default. This is the same as the original hello world. So if you create the hello world like this, and then we can use the capitalize, so it will just has the uppercase in the first word. We can also use the find to find the place, find the position of the L. So this will find the first L. So the index 2 means this is 0, 1, 2. And we can also use count L. So you can see the hello world has 3L. And we can use tab by using the /T. And we can also use the forward without using the print. We use the expand tabs. Also can create a hello world with the tab. And by using the dot center, we can create the word at the center, and it will take up the space of 20 characters. So h_stub.center will look like this. So if you replace the space with x, we can see this one. We can also check if this is alphabetic or numbers. So h_stub is isalnum is false because it contains a space. So instead, if you change this to dot, for example, s is anum, and this is false. If you change this to word or numbers, it is true. So if you change this to n, this is also true. So this is because alphabetic is A to C and the number is 0 to 9. So if you use a dot or space here, it will become false. If you change this to S, this will become false. So S is numeric is false, but if you change this to n, this is true. So this is true. h_stub is alphabetic, and this is false because h_stub, if you take a look at this, this is containing a space. This is not A to C. So if you delete the space and back to here, you can see this is true. And S is lowercase, and this is true. And we can also check is whether this is a title case. This is true. And so first we create a space first. And then space is equal to space. So if we check this is space, this is true. And h_stub is ends with D. So I type the h_stub here, and you can see this is end with D. So this is true. And we can also check this by using a -1 to which imply the last word. And now if you split with L, you can see we will split this by using the L. So it just has HE, and then it will become a space, and then it just left WOR and then D. So this is how to use the split, and we can also use the partition. If we use the partition L, it will split with the first L only, and it will return the he L and LO world. So for example, if we replace this with O, so you can expect this will split with the first O. So now we execute this again, you can see this has held, old, and also the world. So this is how to use the advanced string method.